magkakaroon ka ng sasakyan, at the same time, may business ka. Diba? Yung kasi yung pinaka-punto doon, investment. Yun yun. Well accommodated talaga. Through online lang kami, tapos yung pag-release, saka lang talaga yung appearance namin. As in, throughout, mula Saudi hanggang Pinas. Well accommodated.
Yun, thank you so much, ma'am. Sir, thank you po. So, inaantay na lang namin, ibaba yung